The Toyota RAV4 2025's pre-collision system, or PCS, is a safety feature designed to help prevent or mitigate collisions. It uses forward-facing radar and a camera to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists ahead. The radar system detects distances and speeds for accurate collision prediction. The camera uses AI to identify objects on the road. When a collision is detected, it provides warnings through sounds and dashboard alerts, and can automatically apply the brakes to help avoid or reduce the impact. You might see alerts on the dashboard like this. PCS is a key component of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, Toyota's advanced suite of driver assistance technologies, and it comes enabled by default on all RAV4 2025 models. The pre-collision system relies on two key sensors to detect potential collisions. First, millimeter wave radar scans up to 328 feet ahead, providing distance and speed data. Second, a monocular camera captures visual information to identify vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. PCS operates in two main modes, warning only and warning with braking. When a collision risk is detected, the system activates warnings. Audible beeps and visual alerts appear on the dashboard. If the driver doesn't respond, PCS can apply up to 40% braking force autonomously. This helps mitigate or avoid collisions in critical situations. To adjust PCS settings, start your RAV4 2025 and ensure it's in park or stopped. Use the infotainment screen, either the touchscreen or steering wheel controls, to navigate to settings. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and finally Toyota Safety Sense. The exact menu layout may vary slightly. Within the Toyota Safety Sense menu, select Pre-Collision System PCS. You'll find a toggle switch to turn PCS on or off. Remember, disabling PCS may affect your warranty or insurance premiums, as it's a key safety feature. With PCS enabled, you can customize the collision warning sensitivity. Options typically include High, Standard, and Low. High provides earlier warnings for proactive alerts. Standard offers balanced alerts for most driving situations. Low reduces alerts in dense traffic to minimize distractions. Choose the setting that best suits your driving conditions. It's crucial to understand the limitations of the pre-collision system. While PCS is an advanced safety feature, it has certain constraints that drivers must be aware of. The system relies on radar and camera sensors, which have effective ranges but cannot detect everything. For example, PCS may not detect stationary objects on the road ahead. Additionally, the system may not reliably detect small vehicles or motorcycles that fall outside its detection parameters. PCS performance can be limited in poor visibility conditions such as heavy rain, fog, or darkness, where sensors struggle to maintain accuracy. Remember, the pre-collision system is designed to supplement, not replace, driver attention and judgment. Always remain vigilant behind the wheel and prioritize safe driving practices to ensure the best protection for yourself and others. NHTSA studies demonstrate that systems like PCS significantly reduce rear-end collisions. In a 2025 analysis of over 100,000 vehicles, Toyota Safety Sense equipped vehicles showed a 22% reduction in rear-end collisions compared to non-equipped models. Real-world examples show how RAV4 owners customize PCS settings for their driving environments. In urban areas with heavy pedestrian traffic, drivers often set PCS to high sensitivity to detect jaywalking pedestrians early. On empty rural roads, many prefer low sensitivity to minimize unnecessary alerts from distant objects. Since 2017, PCS has been involved in over 1 million real-world interventions, preventing accidents in 80% of those cases, according to Toyota's data. This demonstrates the system's effectiveness in real driving scenarios. Safety experts praise PCS for its design and reliability. However, over-reliance on the system can lead to complacency. Future trends include integration with connected services, AI enhancements for predictive braking, and broader adoption across the automotive industry. Always consult your owner's manual for the latest details on your specific trim level.